Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you some baby hairstyle in heart shape. When it comes to styling your baby's hair, it's all about keeping it cute, simple and full of love. And what better way to celebrate your little one's sweetness than with heart-shaped hairstyles. These adorable styles are perfect for special occasions or simply adding an extra touch of charm to everyday looks. Let's start with the heart-shaped ponytail. This super cute style is easy to achieve. The looks absolutely precious. Next up in the heart braided pigtails. This involves creating small heart-shaped braids that flow down into two pigtails. For those who prefer keeping it simple, there is the mini heart top knot. Take a small section of there at the top of the head and shape it into a tiny heart before securing it with an elastic band. It's a quick and easy way to add a little flair to your baby's hair while keeping it fuss free. Want something even more unique? Try the heart parted bun. Start by parting the hair in the heart shape on the top of the head. And if you are looking for a more detailed option, go for a heart cornrow braids. These are small, intricate cornrow shaped into a heart at the side or back of the head. This style works wonder for keeping your little one's hair neat, and the heart shape adds a fun, loving twist. It's great for longer lasting hairstyle, especially for events like weddings or family celebration. Finally, you can add a play touch with heart-shaped hair accessories. Even if you prefer keeping the hairstyle simple, adding heart-shaped clips or bows can instantly elevate the look. It's all about those little details that makes your baby's hairstyle uniquely hers.